Hi everybody, I am Bindeshwar from Post Network, and in this video you will know about functions in Python. So let's get started. So we will know about how you can create your own functions in Python. This would be the first point, and how you can use functions created by you. So this would be main focus of this video. So let's get started with definition of a function. So if somebody asks from you that what is a function, so a function in Python is a subprogram that acts on data and often returns a value. So here a function in Python is a subprogram. That means this is not whole program, but this is a part of program which will act on data and will return a value. And this definition is from Sumita Arora, Computer Science with Python. So now let us understand what is a function. So you must know about function in mathematics. Now I am going to write a function you must know. Example, fx is equal to 2x square, and see that here if I put the value of x is equal to 1, so here what will happen? The value of f1 would be 2 into 1 square, and which is 2. If you put x is equal to 2, it would be f2 2 into 2 square, which would be 8. And the same way, if you put x is equal to 3, so f3 is equal to 2 into 3 square, and it would be 18. And if you put x is equal to 4, so f4 it would be equal to 2 into 4 square, and that would be equal to 32. So here you can say that, if I explain that part wise, so here f is function, here f is function, and x is argument. X is argument, and 2x square. 2x square is its functionality, right? Its functionality. It means what task it will perform. And in the similar way, you can also define a function in Python. So taking the concept from mathematics, here we are going to define a function in Python. So I'm going to write here def f x colon, here I am going to writing result 2 into x star star. Here star is used for power. Here it means that x star 2 means x square, and 2 into x square, the whole meaning. And thereafter I am writing return result. So this function will return value this one. Now in Python you cannot use this. Is actually this is a definition of function, and if you want to use this function, so you have to call this function. I'm going to explain you how you will call it. So see that you have to write here some for example I'm writing here R, and I'm writing F5. So this function will get called, and thereafter I will explain here, and thereafter I am going to print it R. So see that how this function will work, I am going to explain here. See that what will happen. The first of all, Python interpreter, it will see that here def. So here if you want to define a function in Python, so you have to use def keyword. So here def is a keyword in Python. Here f is function name. You can take any name, and inside parenthesis this is parameter. This is function name. See that after this looking this definition, Python interpreter will move here. It will see that there is a function call. This is called function call, giving actually name of the function, and you are passing some arguments. Function call. Thereafter, and you are providing value 5. So control in Python will come here, and thereafter x will refer to 5, and here this x will come here. So actually res will refer to 2 into 5 star 2. Actually the whole computation would be 50. So result will actually I have written res in my mind, this is result, but Python will understand res. So the value, or you can say that res is referring to 50, and actually this is 50. I can write that here res is also referring to 50, and you have written return res. So this value will be received by this R, and thereafter actually you are printing here, so 50 will get printed. One more thing you need to understand, I have given a space before res and return. So function is a compound statement. You need to understand function is a compound statement, and inside these two statements are there, res, this expression, and return res. So functions work like this. Now let us move on Thony editor which I use and write the code. So def f x colon, it is showing thereafter indentation res 2 into x star star 2, that means 2 into x square, and return res. And of course if you want to use this function you have to call. So you have to write the name of the function with argument. So f5 I am writing here, and thereafter write the value of print the value of r. Now let us run it. So if you run it, you can see the value 50. Let me run it again. So value is 50. Now let us run it into debug mode. So in debug mode you can see that line by line execution of a Python program. So Thony editor has facility for a debugging program. So I am running also it into debug mode. So see that the whole block is selected because a function is a compound statement. Now step into, see that the control has jumped at line number 4. Thereafter see that a new window will get opened in Thony for a function call. Thereafter see that here 2 into x is referring to 5. So 2 into 5 to the power 2. Thereafter the 2 into 5 and res is referring to 50, and thereafter this 50 will get returned, and you can see that here r is referring to 50, and if you print r, so 50 will get printed. So this was about function in Python. I hope you have understood about functions. So this is about function.